respected ma'am, and my dear friends. My name is Rubina Sheikh from Aspire DI. Would like to show a skit. In this skit, the characters are Shakuntala as mother, Vilsi as father, myself as Rohan, Meghna as Sunil, Pooja as Rajesh, Vidya as teacher, and Mural as Mahesh. This is a story about a boy whose name is Rohan. He is a very clever boy. So let us see Rohan's life.
In the morning, Rohan is sleeping and his mummy enters his room.
Rohan, get up fast. You have to go to college.
5 minutes, please.
No, you are getting late. Come on, get up fast.
Yes, Amma.
Anju, yes. Get me tea. Yes, bring me. Anju, did you wake Rohan? Yes. He's getting ready. Get me tea fast, Anju. You are getting late. Yeah, coming. No news today. Nothing.
Good morning, Dad. Good morning,
Good morning,
Mom.
sir.
Good morning. I'm ready.
So Rohan, how's your studies going?
Nice, Dad.
I have lots of work in the office today. Let's see what happens.
Okay, Mom, Dad. I'm going to college. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Wait. Take your tiffin. Oh God, I forgot my file. I think.
Give Mom.
And see that you keep in your bag. And you have taken your books according to timetable?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, Anju, I'm also leaving. Bye. Bye.
Bye, Mom.
Yes.
Hi, Sunil.
Hey Rohan, what's up? How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Where were you yesterday? I was looking for you.
I was completing my assignment. Did you complete your assignment?
No, yeah. Who cares? I have many interesting things to do. Come, we'll go to college.
Oh.
They both leave for school and after the school, Rohan returns home in the evening.
Mom, I'm back.
Go and wash your hands and legs.
Yes, Mom.
Come fast to have something.
Mom, give me something to eat. I'm very hungry. Oh, sandwich. Thanks, Mom.
How was your study?
Yes, Mom. Nice. Okay, Mom.
Complete it fast.
No, Mom. I'm going out to play with my friends. I will come, okay?
Come
Bye.
fast and don't be late.
Hey Rohan, you're late, man.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I was taking my snacks.
Come, I'm going to my friend's house. You'll
We
join me?
play cricket now.
No, he's waiting for me. Come, you also come.
But we will get late. My mama
No, you
will
will
shout
get
at me.
here. Come.
Okay.
Hey guys, what's up? How are you?
How are you?
Hey, what is this?
Who is this? He's my new friend Rohan. Come Rohan, sit.
Hi,
Rohan.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. He is Rajesh and he is Mahesh.
This is not good now.
What not good? We all are doing all these things only.
Hey, have some.
Yeah.
You smoking?
So what? We all of us smoke. You also?
No, no. I just
Just
smoke.
try.
No,
Just try.
try.
Yeah. Just
No,
try.
yaar, I didn't.
Try. It happens. It happens. Do.
Hey, nice girl.
Hey, distribute cards for me also.
Yeah. You have?
Yeah, I want drink also.
You were drinking? It's not good for health, na?
Food says it's not good. You also want to drink?
No, no. I didn't drink.
Yeah, try one.
No, I don't
One
want.
sip.
No,
One
yaar.
sip.
No, I
One
don't
sip.
want. Thanks.
One sip.
No, I don't want.
My 10 rupees.
My 20.
You are playing cards?
Yeah, you know how to play cards? My 30.
My 10 more.
Hey, show.
Show.
I won.
Oh,
shit.
You got lot
Luck,
of
man.
money?
Yeah, all my pocket money comes from here only. You also want to play? I
No,
will show
yaar.
you
I
how to
don't have
play.
money and I don't know how to play these cards.
I will show you. Take money from me and return me afterwards. Take this.
Are you sure?
Yes. See, like this. Understood?
Okay. I will also play these
Yeah.
cards.
I will distribute cards.
पूजा एकदम प्रोफेशनल.
My 10 rupees.
30. My 20.
My 10.
My 20.
My 10 more. 10.
10.
Show.
Hey, see. I won.
Yes.
Yeah, come, let's party.
Yeah, party. Now you have to drink, okay?
No,
Now you
yes,
have one, so
yes.
one sip.
Just take the glass.
Take the glass, yes.
Yeah, cheers. Celebration.
Yes.
Wow. Good.
Okay, now I'm getting late. Mama will shout at me.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye. We'll meet you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Thereafter, Rohan starts to go every day with Sunil. He started to like their way of living. He started smoking, drinking and playing cards and comes late in the evening. He started to bunk the class.
Hello.
Can I speak with Rohan's mommy?
Yeah, I am Rohan's mummy.
How is Rohan?
He is fine.
Actually, Rohan is not coming to college from last 1 week.
What? I was not aware of this. Thank you for informing me.
Rohan's mother is very worried. At that time, his father enters.
Rohan, it's too late now. Ding dong.
Oh God, today it was very tiring day.
Make tea for me, Anju.
I'm coming.
Slowly sit up. Don't touch that also. Did the electrician come today?
Yes.
What happened, Anju? Are you so
Rohan
worried?
had gone out to play. Still, he has not yet come. I am so worried.
Don't worry, he will come in some time.
Ding
It's
dong,
too
ding
late now.
dong.
Don't worry.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Where were you? I was so worried for you. Rohan, are you listening to me? Rohan? You don't worry. We will talk to him tomorrow morning.
Next day, when Rohan leaves his house for school, his mom starts to follow him, and she saw that his son is smoking with other boys.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Today I will follow you.
Even I want to play the cards.
Yeah, I'm going to distribute. You only distribute the cards. You won that night. Take.
Rohan, what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Sorry.
What are you doing with your parents?
Mom, I'm
If this
sorry,
is the way, come on, come with me.
What is this?
Mom, I'm sorry, Mom.
No, I will tell this to your dad. Let your dad come.
Mom, please don't
No,
say
no,
anything.
I don't want to hear anything.
Please
I will
don't say
tell this
anything
to your dad.
Please
No, you
don't.
sit quietly.
Dad will
Let
shout
me
at
come.
me. Please don't say anything
No.
to Dad, please.
I will tell this to your dad.
Evening, the father comes home.
What happened? Why is he crying? Hey. What happened, Rohan? Why are you crying? Oh God, just move off now.
Rohan's mother explains everything to his father.
Dad, I'm sorry, Dad.
Oh my God, my son did this?
Dad, I'm sorry, really.
I didn't expect this from you, Rohan. This is very bad. I'm so worried for him. Rohan, listen to me. Stop crying. Stop crying, Rohan. Now listen to me carefully. At this age, you may fantasize to many things. You may get many things in your ways coming in your life. But it's up to you to decide what is wrong and right. At home, we are there to guide you. But outside, it is up to you. You should think what is right for me and what is wrong for me. Taking all such things like drugs, alcohol, cigarettes, this will harm you. It might cause you cancer and all, and other different types of diseases. You will lose your health very badly. And we might lose you, and that's very sad.
Dad, I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry, Mom.
Be
Dad.
careful next time that you don't do this again.
Mom, Dad, I promise you both that I never do this again. I never break your trust. I'm sorry.
Very good, Rohan. We appreciate this thing that you knew that you have done wrong.
Yes,
But
Dad.
remember that, Rohan, Mom and me love you a lot.
I love you too, Mom, Dad. I'm sorry for that.
Rohan understood what he did was wrong. He apologized to his parents. It was very nice of Rohan's parents to make him understand instead of being very harsh on him. Thus, by this act, we understand that things like cigarette, drugs, alcohol are harmful to health.